In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. One of the top products on the market is the JUKI TL2000 Kai. This sewing machine has a ton of automated features, just like many contemporary gadgets. It incorporates automatic thread trimming, making it very simple to trim both the top and bobbin threads. With the JUKI TL2000 Kai, you can find the ideal tension for both your fabric and thread thanks to an improved thread tension adjustment system. An embedded microprocessor controls the speed of this sewing machine. Therefore, you can quickly change your machine's speed so that it works with any type of fabric, thick or thin. Additionally, the machine features improved needle control, allowing for greater accuracy while designing and quilting. You won't have to deal with the inconvenience of manually inserting the thread with the JUKI TL2000 Kai's automatic needle threader, which speeds up the sewing process. LED lights are also included in this sewing machine so you can see the area properly when sewing. Although the JUKI TL2000 Kai is the greatest in the industry, the cost is the main factor that would prevent buyers from purchasing it. Because of its cost, not everyone can afford it. There is obviously a learning curve with it because it uses differently than other traditional sewing machines. The Brother PQ1500SL is designed for serious quilters who require efficiency, precision, and speed at the same time. The maximum stitch rate for this robust machine is 1,500 per minute. It is one of the swiftest sewing machines available as a result. Additionally, there are a lot of options for regulating the stitching and quilting process. With a few easy dialers, you can change the foot pressure, fabric tension, and thread tension. Even though it does take some trial and error, if you get it right, you're guaranteed a perfect stitch. This machine's free arm and spacious table make it perfect for quilting. The sewing machine comes with a table, free of charge. You have enough room to maneuver the fabric and sew at various angles. An automated thread cutter, quick load threader, feed dog adjustment knob, knee lifter, reverse stitch lever, and presser foot lever are further noteworthy features. Another mechanical sewing machine that is simple to master due to its limited functionality is the Singer 4432. It contains 32 built-in stitches, including a one-step buttonhole in addition to 18 decorative stitches, 6 basic stitches, and 7 stretch stitches. The stitch width on this sewing machine is adjusted using a dial that offers a maximum setting of 6 mm. Additionally, the Singer 4432 has a built-in needle threader with 3 distinct needle positions that saves time. It boasts a motor that is 60% more powerful than previous motors, allowing it to stitch at 1,100 SPM and with enough piercing strength to cut through numerous layers of fabric. And because it's affordable, it's a fantastic choice for individuals who wish to learn to sew. Although the Singer 4432 is suitable for beginners, as you gain experience, its functionlessness becomes limiting. Additionally, this machine is lighter than others on the market because it is partially composed of plastic to minimize weight. One of the top sewing and embroidery machines is the Brother SE600. It is an improved model of the SE400, a legendary item in and of itself. The machine includes a hoop and embroidery arm and has a 4x4 embroidered field. It features 6 alphabet types and 80 embroidery designs already built in. Watch the design come to life by choosing the 3.2 LCD touchscreen option. Using a USB device will allow you to download additional designs. When you transition from sewing to embroidery, the LCD display automatically adjusts. More than 100 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 different buttonhole types. Everything is set up by an automatic needle threader. All you need to do is choose the stitch type. You have access to as many as 7 stitching feet with this machine. When you are sewing the fabric, the free arm is a great help. And LED light that lights and makes the stitches easier to see is another useful feature. To hasten sewing, there are 4 buttons and a slider. The start-stop, needle position, reverse, and small scissors buttons are among the available options. The pace can be adjusted using the slider, reaching a maximum of 710 stitches per minute. Check Amazon for the most recent prices on the Brother SE600. The CS6000i is in the middle of the other two brother sewing machines in this review in terms of features. While stitching more quickly than the ST371HD, it is still much slower than the PQ1500SL. The high-duty sewing machine does, however, have more built-in stitches than either of them. This sewing machine can compete with products from other manufacturers, despite the fact that we're comparing it to just two of its peers. If anything, as its features in the following paragraph will demonstrate, this sewing machine performs better when compared to other models that are equally priced. This machine can compete with any cutting-edge device you can find on the market thanks to its automatic needle threader system, electronic variable speed control, built-in free arm for sewing sleeves, and LCD display. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.